Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you what do you do in case you have a ghost touch issue on iPhone. Basically, sometimes for some users, when they unlock their iPhone, they get a ghost touch, which means that basically their iPhone might be being controlled, or there are some um, just uncontrollable touches, swipes, whatever. So in order to fix that, I mean, there are multiple ways you could fix that could hopefully fix that. The first one is that you restart your iPhone. So how do you restart your iPhone? You need to press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Once you do that, you get that slide to power off option, and you can slide to power it off, right? So that is one way to do it. And if this does not work for you, then what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to head in the settings, and then we're gonna go to general. On general, we're gonna go to on the way all the way bottom, and we're gonna press transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, you could either press reset, or you could press erase all content and settings. So first of all, you're gonna try with the reset. Basically that will reset your iPhone's settings. So sometimes the iPhone settings could be the problem. Maybe you have some kind of settings that might be interfering with the phone, maybe some app. But this will, I mean, the app will come in the next part, but if you do that, it will erase your settings, and your iPhone will be on your default settings, and this could hopefully fix it. If that does not work as well, we're gonna go for the erase all content and settings option. Once you do that, then everything will be good as new. Your iPhone will be reset, all the apps will be gone, and any app which was possibly interfering with your iPhone, or any settings that were interfering with your iPhone, they won't be there anymore to interfere, because your iPhone will be reset. So these are the three solutions, three ways you could try and fixing that. I hope this video helps. Let me know in the comments. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.